Hello friends, today in this video I shall show you how to practice journal entry through Learner Small app. The page you are seeing here is the first page after logging into the Learner Small app. If you want to practice journal entry, then simply go to journal entry test. You can see here, click on journal entry test, and at the bottom of the page you can see here start exam. Click on it. At the top of this page you can see time is running. You have to do 5 journal entry within 5 minutes. So let's start. Company paid rupees 3500 salaries. So journal entry will be salaries account debit to cash. So first salary account debit. So debit has been selected. Now select account name. Under account name select salary account and then go to primary account group. Under primary account group you select expense because salary is expense, and then go to secondary account group. Under secondary account group you select indirect expense because salary is indirect expense. Then enter amount 3500. Then add a line. You can see here your salary account has been debited with 3500. Now cash account will be credited. So first of all select credit, then go to account name. Here you select cash account, then go to primary account group. Under primary account group you select current asset, then go to secondary account group. Under secondary account group you select cash in hand. Cash account means cash in hand. So then go to amount, enter amount 3500, then add a line. You can see here your salary account has been debited with 3500 and cash account has been credited with 3500. So your entry is complete. This entry is complete. This transaction has been completed by you. So go to next. Here you can do journal entry in the same eye, but I am not doing this, so I am clicking on skip. Again skip, again skip. Now you can see submit button, so click on submit. Are you sure you want to submit your answer? Yes. Here you can see your marks is 2 out of 10 because I have done here only one entry, and you can compare your entry and correct answer. Your entry and correct answer and compare. You can compare with the correct answer. So that's all about the process by which you can give journal entries in Learner Small app. So thank you for